All right. The Rio.
That's how you launch your boat.
That's how you launch a boat. When you're not in a hurry. Oh boy, you're looking fast by yourself, boy.
It's a beauty, boy. Not like you're...
Oh boy. That is Josh.
That's looking good.
Ducks, boy. Ducks. You look a little faster than before.
That's a beauty. Not electric pussies.
But you ain't gonna beat none of the electric here,
I
though.
don't care.
All right, we're going in the water.
I don't care. I run over you.
Run over.
He's blue electric ones about as quick as I think. Pretty close. I remember fast. We should go down there and do a run together.
Anytime I had a boat like this, I would run.
This boat is wake up the dinosaurs, boy. Go to run, it's running, you're gonna burn all the water out.
I don't have much gas on your tank.
You don't get gas, man. You got gas.
Yes, I don't gas inside, but you only give me half tank.
That's what is there.
That's what is there, exactly.
Half tank will give you a whole hour run, man.
Last minute though. I just trying to come and ask me, man.
Yeah, you have plan coming.
If Osmo wake me up, Osmo say, yeah, you bring out the gas boat. I say, yeah, good. Come in there.
That's how Patrick can never see this boat run, man. Patrick just gone. And George want to go, to movie town. I'm sure want to go movie town. Yeah, you want to wake me up now, right, Josh? You want to wake me up now? All right.
I got him scared. Come right there, so Josh gotta come down here. So.
No, you can wake everybody up if you do that. What Josh going to do now? What Josh going to do? What?
No, Josh gotta come here.
I ain't taking setup this afternoon right down there. Had a bad start.
The Rio51 Z. Yeah, to me it running faster than before. You got some sharp turn though.
Yeah, not so. They're 26 feet. When I go up to States, I'm bringing it 30 feet. But this man got gas on his tank, right?
Huh? Oh, you got gas in it?
The next one, I don't know. 11.
Use mix it with.
Like them relay machine?
Oh shit, I do a sharp turn.
Alright, coming in. Alright, the Rio51 Z made a sharp turn and it cuts out. Nice run. We are at the Banks Lake.